Alright guys, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle back. Today I am up in Washington. This is the third day in a row I've been in Washington. So we're just out here at Eagle Leather Motorcycle Gear. This store is awesome. And I couldn't resist. I had to get a new face shield. So I got a new face shield and I can actually see now. It's so awesome being able to see. And this has got the pin lock option here, the screws or whatever, so I can put a pin lock deal in it, which I probably will. So I'm out here with Hobbs and Firefly, and we're going to cruise around the coast up here in Washington, and we're going to have some epic views and sceneries today for you guys. So sit back and enjoy the video. I thought we were going to eat here. Well, that's what Hobbs said. We're going to have lunch here in Bremerton. I mean, if you guys are cool with that. Oh, yeah, I don't know my fucking way around here. This is your neck of the woods.
I can't recall if you're kidding.
Just
let's pull over and figure it out.
what's going on over here? What are you getting? What? Oh, sweet. There's his, that's his lunch. God damn, it feels so good to be able to see out my front windshield. I need a pee.
I'm not sure. Can you feel the best?
Thing's a freaking beast, dude. Woo! This thing is big. Here, you want these things? Don't forget your holes. Good? Yeah. Damn, this thing's got some power, dude. Beautiful up here. So we're up here in right out of Bremerton, however you pronounce that town, up here in beautiful Washington. It's turning out to be a really nice day. We're gonna stop and get a bite to eat before we start our trek out to the coast. It's gonna be spectacular. I already know it. Yeah. So this is the part of the bridge that's floating? I know.
Did you see I got one?
Yeah.
You should take it for a spin next week, like sometime.
Yeah.
What happened? What?
That's the bike I got.
What?
That's the bike I got. It's 2200.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Nice. Oh, wow. You mean the helicopter?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the U.S. Coast Guard.
That's really cool. Oh, another puppy.
Oh, we have to get over. Stopping off for a minute, taking a breather here, checking out this magnificent view. And our next stop is about 40 miles away, so we're going to stop there. It's steep right there. Alright guys, we're stopped in Forks right now. Stopped here at the 76 to get some gasoline. And boy, this has turned out to be a long day. I just looked at my app and I've been driving or riding for 8.5 hours. And I'm at about 330 miles right now. And I'm still about 4.5, 5 hours from home. So we're going down the coastline. So we're going to see some coastline now. And we're going to stop at Aberdeen. And we're probably going to stop there for dinner. And so that's about 2 hours away from here, and it's 5 o'clock right now, so yeah, it's gonna be late when I get home tonight, so let's do it. Be nice to be here when the sun sets. Just gonna take some quick photos and then get back on it.
Oh wow, there's another really good one.
I have no idea. That's down. Alright guys, made it into Aberdeen and we are going to stop here and get a bite to eat, fill up the bikes, and I'm still a couple hours away from home, and it's been one hell of a day. It's like 7 o'clock right now. I've been riding since 8 o'clock, so, and I still got hours to go. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys after we eat for probably the last leg of the trip, which is gonna be headed back in towards the interior portion of Washington, and then on the 5 south back into Portland. So, damn, it smells good. I smell dinner.
Real. Arrived.
Alright, so we stopped at this little place, had some shrimp, and Firefly had a vegan burger. They actually had one for her. We are on the last leg home, guys. I'm gonna have to tap out and say goodbye to you guys here. This has been one crazy day. I'm at 430 miles, I think, 10.5 hours of riding for the most part, and I have 160 miles to get home. It's 8:30, so today has been a good day for riding. Put down a lot of miles, and it's been fun. So Grace Harbor, oh okay, this is Billy's restaurant, okay, and we're in Aberdeen, Washington, and this has been an awesome, spectacular day with Hobbs and Firefly. Put down a lot of miles a day, seen a lot of cool stuff, and it's just been, you know, pretty much epic. And this has been a good day to, you know, make sure I'm still recording here. A good day to, you know, test my abilities in putting down these kind of miles, so when I start making some trips, you know, I could be like, okay, I'm going to be comfortable with, you know, X amount of miles per day and that kind of thing. So it's kind of cool to make these local trips, you know, make a big loop, and then you guys can, you know, get back home, and then you can kind of gauge your progress and maybe kind of work up to a bigger thing. And if I'm making sense to you guys, like, you could take like a 200-mile trip one day, good, and the next day take a 300-mile trip, or next weekend or whatever, and then maybe the next ride. It's actually cold enough here to where my visor's fogging up. More funky steel braided bridges, oh my goodness. It feels so weird going over that stuff. And you know, anyways guys, like, locally work yourself up, and then when you go to take a trip, you know, you're gonna have a good idea of your capabilities and what you can do in a day. You know, and I was like on my R6, like 400 miles a day, 450 a day is like it. Like, that's all I want to do. But, you know, I was thinking on this bike, I could do like 600 a day. And then, therefore, when I go to Southern California, I could do it in 2 days instead of 3 days. Which on my R6, it was a 3-day trip. And on this bike, I'm thinking it could be a 2-day trip. So, I'm kind of thinking about going to Cali here before too long. Firefly Hobbs. These guys are anxious. They want to race. See how slow I am? I lost the race. They are gone. Hobbs on his 150 horsepower adventure bike. Oh my goodness. And it's like 30 through here. You guys better settle down. Alright guys, time to sign off on this beautiful Sunday evening. We're gonna get back home. Hopefully we don't hit any rain. So until next time folks, Oregon Motorcycle.